Hey everyone, are you trying to send a message on Messenger seeing the error message can't deliver, user unavailable? This usually happens if the person has blocked or restricted you, their account is deactivated, or there's an app glitch. No worries, in this video I'll walk you through how to troubleshoot and possibly fix this issue, solution by solution. Solution 1. Check if the person blocked you. Open the Messenger app, search for the person's name. If their profile doesn't appear, or you see this person isn't available right now, they may have blocked you. If someone has blocked you, you won't be able to message them. Solution 2. Try messaging from another account. Log into a different Facebook or Messenger account, search for the same person and try sending a message. If it works from the new account, your main account may be blocked or restricted by that person. Solution 3. Update or reinstall Messenger. Open the Play Store or App Store, search for Messenger, tap Update if an update is available. If not, uninstall and reinstall the app. Log in again and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. The can't deliver, user unavailable error usually points to a block, restriction, or account issue. But sometimes a simple refresh or reinstall does the trick. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.